Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can download any file or source code in my channel. Assume you are watching this video and you want to get the source code from this video. The source code I always provide in the description link. You can expand here and open this link. Once you open the link, you can get into the website. In this website, I created it to share the source code and programming bugs in Java, PHP, and other programming languages. Here, you will get lots of files for the source code, like this one. You can download for free now, and assume I'm going to download this one. You can open and click on the download link here. Once you click, it asks you to first log in or to create a new account if you don't have an account. And I'm going to log in because I've already created an account. If you're going to create an account, make sure you create you use an email address that is working and you can access that email address. If you cannot access this email address, then you are not going to download the file, because the link to download the file is sent in your inbox. You can see now it's loading, and you can see a pop here. You sent an email containing the link to download the file. Open your mailbox and your email account that is registered in my website is my username. And make sure you can check in the spam folder also if you cannot see the email in your inbox, because some other marked email like this one that contains the link is spam. So you have to make sure you get in the spam folder. I'm going now to open my inbox. In my inbox, I get the direct link to download the file. Here is an email account that is sent to my inbox. And you can see a button here to download and a link. If this is another one, I'll ask to set my password. Here is a button to download the file, and here is the link. You can copy if you cannot click on the and my friend, you are going to download this file once. At the time you click to download the file, the link becomes expired, and it expires in 1 day if you cannot click on the file and you cannot be able to download the file. You can request another file. Thanks for watching, my friends.